Hi, this is Graham Bell with Real Intent. I'm speaking with Jim Foley, R&D Director at Real Intent. Jim, what's your area of focus at Real Intent?
Well, I'm responsible for Ascent Lint.
What's going on with lint technology? What do people need today?
Well, they need to know, they need to find design errors, they need to check for their design style, they might check for coding policies. There's a very large variety, large number of things that you can check for, and also different design groups will have their different opinions on which lint rules are of particular interest to them. And so with Ascent Lint, we've tried to make the tool very easy to use, very easy to pick out specifically what you want to check for. We've focused on having high accuracy and highly readable messages that point you directly at the problem, and also designed runtime performance, so that when you run your design, even very large designs, we can analyze it and give you results in a short amount of time.
Now, when you go to write rules, are they very atomic? Are they just only, analyze one little thing, or can you have rules that can sort of cover sort of a broad range of issues?
Well, most design rules are rather specific. Most lint rules are rather specific. So each lint rule, we try to tell you specifically what is the condition that it's going to report on, and it'll point you exactly at a line of source code that identifies the problem.
So how do people use it interactively? Do people need to waive certain rules when they're going through a debug process? So
that turns out to be the case, that lots of design groups have waiver lists or things of exceptions of design rules, and Lint makes it easier to manage waivers so that you can automatically click on a violation, choose to waive it, and it'll recall that information and not report on that violation later.
Lint technology has been in the marketplace for a long time. What would distinguish the Ascent Lint product from Real Intent?
Certainly there's been linters around for a long time. There's certain constructs that are ambiguous or not a clear mapping between the design intent and the behavior specified in the LRM. So we found that many companies have produced lint tools, but most of them haven't invested or maintained the tools so that they are high performance, easy to use, and keep up with language standards. And so we've tried to do a good job of covering all the lint rules that you might possibly want to do, and presenting that in an easy-to-use and high-performance package. And so we found from our customers that have compared us against the competition, they like our technology.
We have a new release of Ascent Lint 151. Can you tell us a little bit about what's new in the release? Have we expanded the rule set? Yeah, we've expanded the rule set quite a bit. There are some 50 new rules between 1.5 and 151 that covers system Verilog, VHDL, netlist level rules. We've improved our graphical interface so that you have direct links from the report and from the configuration tool into the documentation, and we've added design examples for each lint rule so that you can easily cross-probe to get to either your line of source or to the documentation that describes the rule in more depth. Jim, thanks for speaking with us today.